You know, while we are celebrating all of this, and we are, right? 19 medals, we are celebrating our 19 medals. This was actually a question I think Kali asked Abhinav and said, have we moved forward? Let me ask this question, except my panelists here and two people here, I know they will answer this. How many of you have heard of Murlikant Petkar? Audience, this is an elite audience. This is actually an elite audience. Can anyone tell me who Murlikant Petkar is? Except these two, Manisha and Abhinav, and my 5 panelists. I don't see a hand. India has not yet arrived. Murlikant Petkar, war veteran, 1965, multiple bullet wounds, goes on to win India's first Paralympic medal. This audience doesn't know of Murlikant Petkar. Don't celebrate your 19 medals yet. There's still a journey to be done. And that's the journey that I think we are starting out here. More such platforms, more inclusivity, more such talk, I think will get us there. Suhas, have you seen a change in attitude? I mean, one thing is Suhas Yatiraj winning a medal. But one thing is, arey, abhi iska to problem hai, gali de do. Medal is one thing. Have you seen India change? If that is what you've seen, that is the bigger story.
Very well said, Bhoria. In fact, let me tell you, 1983 was a watershed moment for Indian cricket when Kapil Dev lifted the World Cup and when the invent of color television just happened. And I don't have hesitation when I say Tokyo 2020 is a watershed moment in Indian Paralympics. You will see a sea change between the attitude before 2020 and after 2020. It is a watershed moment, definitely. We all know sports is a high-risk, high-return venture. That is one of the reasons why parents are reluctant to actually get their children into sports. There are a handful of Abhinav Bindras or Pramod Bhagats in the sporting career, whereas if they choose other alternative careers, the amount of opportunities are quite huge. But sport, India again has become a sport, not only a sport watching nation, now it is changing into a sport playing nation. Coming to your question regarding the attitude of people with respect to people who are differently abled. Yes, I see a huge difference in the way now people perceive. People are very sensitive and people are very confident. As you mentioned, Abhinav said it's New Age India. Yes, it is New Age India in terms of the athletic achievements. And at the end of the day, society and countries, they relish success. Nothing succeeds like success. You will see Paralympics and Olympics, the way they have brought medals to the country, the whole country is celebrating. In fact, when they celebrate my medal, they don't celebrate as a district magistrate or anything. They feel as if a son from their home has won the medal. So I think the way country is celebrating both Paralympic and Olympic medals, especially Paralympic medals, as you rightly said, there used to be a stage when people used to ask, "Ye hota kya hai?" धीरे-धीरे लोगों में awareness बढ़ रही है. One of the reasons is you are all in the entertainment world. You know that this जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. Things have to be entertaining for the TV or for the social media to sell itself. This time, let me tell you, I got the figures of the badminton in Paralympics, number of people who watch. It is 6.2 million. It is the actual figure that I got from the broadcaster. That you get in other sports, cricket or other sports. But to get this number of viewers, and when they talk to me, they ask, when they watch our matches, the final match which Deepaji was referring to that I had against the Frenchman. So they go into the intricacies, the way the society has started celebrating parasports or even generally people who are differently abled. So I think it is definitely a watershed moment and you will see a sea change forward going ahead.